हेलो एवरीवन। जेई मेन्स 26 के इस क्वेश्चन में हमें एक फंक्शन दिया है एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x+3 डिवाइडेड बाय 3x² प्लस एक्स प्लस 3 और इसका नेचर बताना है। लेट्स सॉल्व इट। To find out function is 1 or not, we have a condition which is f of x is equals to f of y. So solving by this condition we will get x is equals to y or x into y is equals to 1. It means function is not 1 1. Now let's find out is it on to and many one or not. So to check this, since we have fx is equals to f of 1 by x, we can check for 2 f of 2 is equals to f of 1 by 2, which is equals to 4 by 17. So from this we can say the function is many one, not 1 1. So now to check um, onto condition, to check onto condition, we can check for x belongs to real numbers, means for all domain the discriminant t is greater than or equals to 0. Our d is, I made here equation, quadratic equation in terms of x. So discriminant of this quadratic equation is y plus 3 bracket square minus 4 into 3y minus 2 bracket square, which is greater than or equals to 0. On solving this, we have 5y minus 7 is equals to 0, or 7y minus 1 is greater than or equals to 0. So we have y belongs to close interval 1 by 7 comma 1 by 5. It means since the range is a proper subset of the domain R, the function is not onto. Thus, f is neither 1 1 nor onto. This is our final answer.